magic ring like this and chain 4. 4 chain, count as first double crochet and chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, totally 12 double crochet and 12 chain 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 double crochet, last chain 1, close magic ring and slip stitch into very first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, in 3 we make a slip stitch, round 1 finish, another slip stitch into chain 1 space. Now 1, 2, 3, count as first double crochet, another double crochet into same place, chain 1, 2 double crochet into next chain 1 space, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet into next chain 1 space, 1, 2, and continue, and I come back here. Round 2 is finished. We want to make a slip stitch into very first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, into chain 3, slip stitch. We have to count our double crochet, 24 double crochet and 12 chain 1 space. For next round we want to move into chain 1 space, slip stitch into next double crochet, slip stitch into next chain 1 space, chain 3, count as first double crochet, 2 more double crochet into same place, chain 1, 3 double crochet into next chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet into next, and we continue this pattern, and I come back here. For close round 3, after a chain we make a slip stitch into very first double crochet. Now another chain and cut the yarn, round 4 we change color, make a slip knot, and from this 1 chain space we make a chain 1 and a single crochet, 5 chain, a single crochet into second of this 3 double crochet, 5 chain, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, 5 chain, a single crochet into second of this 3, 1, 2 into second, 5 chain, a single crochet into next chain one space, and we continue, and I come back here. For close round 4, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet like this. Round 5. For round 5, we move to 5 chain space with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, a single crochet in the same place, 3 chain. Now 4 double crochet plus chain 1, 1, a chain, 2, a chain, 3, a chain, 4, a chain. Now 2 more chain and a single crochet into same place, a single crochet into next 5 chain space. Now 7 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now a picot into 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a picot, 3 chain, a single crochet into same 5 chain space, now a single crochet into next 5 chain space, 3 chain, 4 double crochet plus chain 1, 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, 4, chain 1, 2 chain, a single crochet into same place, a single crochet into next 5 chain space, 7 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a slip stitch into 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 chain, a single crochet into same 5 chain space, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. Round 5, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet and cut the yarn. Last round we want to make these beautiful flowers. In this round we want to work into 1 chain space here, so I just make a slip knot first, into 1 chain space, make a chain and pull tight, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, and 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we make a popcorn. Another popcorn into next, 1, 2, 3, 4. We make 5 popcorn here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I come back. After 5 popcorn, we make a slip stitch into first popcorn. From here into very first double crochet, make a slip stitch. Now 3 chain. We want to work between these popcorn and make petals. Another double crochet into same place. 3 chain. A single crochet between 2 double crochet. Now 2 more double crochet in the same between 2 popcorn. 1 and 2, 3 chain, a single crochet between 2 double crochet like this, and we go for next between 2 next popcorn. We make 2 double crochet here, three chain and a single crochet here, 2 double crochet more, 1, 2, 3 chain, a single crochet between 2 double crochet, next 2 popcorn between 2 popcorn, and we continue until we finish this round, and I come back here. After the last petal, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet here and another chain for safety, pull tight and cut the yarn. First flower finish. Next flower I want to make it with another color, and after finish this flower you have to hide your yarn with a needle. You have to crochet all flower and it look like this, and you have a beautiful coaster.
دامن کشان